New Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner has 75% more suction compared to leading comparable upright deep carpet cleaners. It has dual cross action brushes for deep down cleaning, has a super boost spray for cleaning mode for high traffic areas and tough stains, deep down cleaning on carpets, high traffic areas, stairs, and upholstery. So, let's open it up. User manual. The upholstery and spot tool. Nice stiff brushes, wide area to clean, and it's see-through so you can see the dirt coming out. This is part of the removable caddy for the tools. Hooks on the back. And some Rug Doctor Professional Strength Carpet Cleaner. Alright, well, I'm going to turn it like this, because that's how it's in the box. So I'm just going to pull it out. And here's the new Rug Doctor. You see, it has, oh, look at that, there's more plastic. Okay, easy release tank for the dirty water, hooks right on like that, that's the carry handle, and then the tank handle for the water, and handle release. Just like that. So, I'm going to take this, put it on the back, just like that. Alright, there's steps. Right there, step 1, wrap 3. No, step 1, insert this part in like that. Like this. And then wrap it 3 times. Step 3, snap into place, brush facing out. Well, I must have not done it right because it's not long enough to come back around and stick in. So let's try again. Okay. Maybe it's like this. Yep, it's like that. And that goes like that. So stay tuned, please like, comment, and subscribe.